am dishing more of my favorite secrets. You're gonna love them. Let's do it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we are breaking down how to save huge in Costco. You don't want to miss it. Tons of these tips are brand new.
This is such a good deal. It's the same type of quality that you're going to find at Crate & Barrel.
I can go full infomercial on this if you'd like me to sell you on it.
Yeah, please do.
First are the two most ridiculously upcharged items on the planet that if you're not buying at Costco, you're totally crazy: glasses and printer ink. What I love about Costco is you can go in and take old cartridges and they will fill them up for you in store at a fraction of the cost. We actually keep a little envelope in our desk drawer so we can do just this. You will save a ton.
And you can usually refill it up to 4 times before it stops working as effectively, but it is less than half the price to refill rather than buy new.
Glasses, if you didn't know, are pretty much all made by the same manufacturer overseas, and a label is just slapped on the glasses. So there's no reason you can't get it at Costco. They have socially distanced guidelines in place. You can go in and get fit for glasses. We get all of our specs from there.
I actually had them update the lenses on this frame, so you take them back and rather than buy a whole new pair of frames, they'll just change out the lenses for you. Plus there's also a really interesting piece that was on 60 Minutes about how they price their lenses and the great deal you're going to get, so you can check that out down below.
I am always shopping at Costco for the basics. I'm talking my milk, my eggs, my produce, my nuts and berries, my paper products. All of those things are going to be a killer deal. But what I love more is the organic items. You cannot beat the price point anywhere for the amount that you're getting. And something I think a lot of people forget about is when you're buying items in bulk, whether it's organic meat or organic produce, almost all of those things can be frozen and used later. I absolutely love the Costco meat, and when I get it in bulk, I stick it into a Ziploc bag and I submerge it in water to get all of the air out, and that makes freezing it super easy, and I have prepped meals. I also love the rotisserie chicken. I feel like if you go into Costco and you haven't had the rotisserie chicken before, you are in for a treat because it is under $5. I like to take it off of the chicken and then put it into individual bags, and I can use those for meals down the line. I also love when I'm in Costco, I can try those more restaurant style items that are awesome, 5-star rated, aren't that expensive.
So good. This is the best.
But somebody else did the work for you and you feel like you're eating out, or some of those fun organic finds that would be way more expensive at the grocery store. You absolutely have to leave a comment down below with your favorites because I can't wait to try them. Next is my favorite. We're going to talk about some Costco rumors. Now these are just hearsay. I'm going to link the articles down below so you can read them and form your own opinion. But there are many products at Costco that are the Kirkland brand, the store brand, but lots of people say that they are made by the name brand companies with a Kirkland label on it, meaning they're the exact same items. And the first is diapers. Huggies brand and the Kirkland brand are nearly identical at a fraction of the price point. Another one that the internet is abuzz about is dog food. The Kirkland brand dog food compares almost directly to taste of the wild dog food, meaning that the main ingredient is meat and there aren't a lot of extra fillers like rice, which isn't great for your pet. You can save tons of money by purchasing those items there.
You're so messy, dude. You get it everywhere.
There's even rumors that the Kirkland vodka is the same vodka as the Grey Goose vodka. The factories are right across the street from each other. Do you believe that rumor? I'm inclined to believe it's true, and I think they taste exactly the same. And I've talked about in other videos how much I love the furniture from Costco and the quality of it. And when I was in there this week, I saw a swivel chair that's almost the exact type of swivel chair I saw at Crate & Barrel for $1,200.
Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens upon a throne?
And in my opinion, there are certain things that are worth splurging on. You want really comfortable furniture because you sit on it every single day. And your bed, you spend a third of your life sleeping. So I am a firm believer in having a really quality mattress and quality sheets, and we always get ours from Costco. They also have bedding toppers if you can't afford a nice mattress that really elevate your sleep experience. But there are things you can buy there like mattresses. However, a Casper mattress that I recently saw in store online was on sale for cheaper than Costco offered it. So always go in with your phone and price check to make sure you're getting a good deal. Okay, so here are some super fun finds that I found when I was recently in store.
For $47, if you guys know how expensive these airtight sealers are, that is a fabulous find. And this is a brand new feature too. The drawers come pre-organized. That's so cool. And you can see the dovetailing on the side. Very high quality piece. How fun is this? So cool. For just $16. That is a score. And these are big.
We do not do air mattresses at our house. We do these fold out beds. It's perfect for sleepovers, for kids. You don't have to worry about a pump or blowing it up. It is my favorite thing, and they are so affordable at Costco. They are the best purchase ever. Next, I want to talk about items for your home. Whether you're decorating it or repairing it, the hardware store insanely upcharges for so many of these items.
This gutter guard is $70 and the hardware store has the same thing for about 90 bucks. So this is a good deal here.
The string lights are the best quality and the best deal ever from Costco. We've had ours last for years.
A new product I saw when I was in store is laminate flooring. This would be an amazing DIY project if you're into that, and I think they're really high quality.
$2.59 a square foot for a comparable item, and here it's just $1.98 a square foot. What? That's like half the price.
I love knowing that the products actually work. The DIY mommy recently installed this flooring into her RV. I'll be sure to link that video down below. So cool to see it come to life. I also love the seasonal deals. Whether it's Christmas or back to school or summertime, those items are highly curated by their team and they are always a fantastic score.
What you got there?
A beach chair that's also a rolling cart. This will be perfect for our beach trip. Setup complete.
And these Speedos are just $12.99. What a good deal.
And I want to give you guys some super quick reminders about the tags you're going to see in store. When there's an asterisk on the tag, that means that item isn't planning on coming back, at least for now. But the real number you want to look out for is 88 cents. That means that is the lowest price that is going to go. You better scoop it up. Anything ending in a 9 is something that the manufacturer priced for Costco.
Oh, look, he's so fun. These are the best in the car. Have you guys ever seen boogie boards? They're super cool and you just click to erase.
Next, don't miss the electronics aisle. You can get tons of good deals, but what's even more than that is Costco offers a 2-year warranty on their electronics as opposed to other stores which just offer 1. So this is a huge advantage. I basically get all my electronics, gear, all of my Apple products all from Costco. Works out. Costco treats their employees super well, they pay them really well, and I've always had a great experience. They take back anything. Even if it's an item that you've worn or used, if you have your receipt and you don't like it for any reason, take it back to Costco. You can even return your membership if you don't like it. And most store managers will price adjust. So if you buy something and up to a month later it goes on sale, they'll give you that difference, which I think is awesome. Did you enjoy this video, learn something new? If you did, leave it a big thumbs up and tell me your favorite thing to buy at Costco in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this all the time. Life is too short to not have fun and save money doing it. I love you guys so much and I will catch you soon. Bye. The fashion statements we make these days, go green. All right.
Action.
Action. Copper models the pallet bed.
Yeah.